Hi guys, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good day. I don't know kung anong oras ito papanoorin, no? But, yes, mabuhay po kayong lahat. My name is Ian Gaza, not Michael Cinco. Sorry, chinay ko lang yung veneers ko na 600,000. Anyway, I'm here to discuss about the issue or the chismis revolving around Miss Ivana Alawi, no? Medyo pumutok siya today or yesterday, last night. I'm not sure. So, this video is all about that particular issue, that particular chismis to clarify some things. First, eto na, Mars! Ano nang chika natin dyan? Remove ko na yung salamin ko. Ang dilim, no? Hirap pala chumismis kapag naka-shades. Anyway, first things first. May kodigo ako I apologize kung meron akong kodigo. Siyempre, ang hirap kapag impromptu lang lahat sa isipan ko. Oh! Sensya na sa casing ko. Anyway, first things first. Hiwalay na pala sila 2003 pa lang eh. As in, there's a court order issued by Pasig City Regional Trial Court or Metropolitan Trial Court, I don't know, basta Pasig City Court, nahiwalay na pala itong mag-asawang to 2003 pa lang. And given na walang divorce sa Pilipinas, so ano lang yung meron sila? Legal separation lang ng properties. Nawala na yung conjugal blah blah blah. After 11 years of marriage, kinasal sila 1992. The court order of legal separation was issued 2003. So after 11 years of their marriage, tapos na, finish na. Simula na 2003, wala na, we are legally separated. Yung kikitain mo, kita mo na yan. Yung kikitain nyo, kikitain ko na yan. Alright? Tapos itong mga property, itong bilyones na meron tayo right now, papartihin natin to ng maayos, given by the power of the korte. So bottom line, ang hindi ko maunawaan, no, hindi maarot ng aking isipan, bakit mo isasabit si Miss Ivana Alawi dyan sa kasuhan ninyong mag-asawa, technically mag-asawa, kasi hindi pa sila annulled. Alright? Ngayon, nag-file ng annulment si lalaki, kaya lumalaban ngayon si babae. Na ipinaglalaban niya na, naku, maraming babae yan, hindi yan faithful, may mga ganito yan, mistress yan, may blah 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 blah. Nakabuntis pa nga yan ng 2 babae. Illegitimate child, 2. And all throughout the 21 years, napakarami naging babae ni Mr. Ang hindi ko maintindihan after 2 dekada, bakit mo